Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel here at Suit Cafe. Hope everyone is doing well. And I wanted to do something a little different today, something that I haven't done before. We're going to play a game, well actually not a game, but we're going to do something called What Would You Do? So welcome back everyone. So we're going to do something called What Would You Do? And I thought it'd be interesting if I were to tell you some real world actual things that happened in my stores. There's a lot of crazy things that can happen when you're open to the public. The door is open. Anybody could walk in at any time. You could have a lot of people in the store at the same time. And I have just a little photo here on the screen of my store that was here on 3rd Avenue and 59th Street. This was across the street from Bloomingdale's. Had 3 floors there. Actually, the whole building was my store. And that's me standing there in the store in front of a whole bunch of suits and some neckties there. So a lot of things can happen when you deal with regular customers, new customers. How do you make those customers? How do you get them to come back again? There's a lot of techniques that somebody can use, but I wanted to tell you about some particular stories. I'm going to tell you about one particular one now, and I'm not going to tell you what happens at the end. That's up to you in the comments. You comment at the end of my video now, and you tell me what you think I should have done. I'm going to make a follow-up video to this video, and I'm going to tell you exactly what happened. And then whoever gets the right answer, there's not really any wrong or right answer, but whoever gets the closest as to what exactly happened is going to win a prize. Okay? And what that prize will be, I'll announce in the next video. So here we go. So one day, the store was very busy. Don't remember exactly which day of the week it was. And we sell in the store a lot of different brands at that time. We were selling, the stores on Madison Avenue, we were selling Hugo Boss and Gianni Versace, Canali, Ermenegildo Zegna, Valentino, Dolce & Gabbana, all the big brands that we had in that store. So at that particular day, there was a lot of people inside the store. It could have been maybe 40 to 50 people. We were about 6 salespeople on the floor. And so it was extra busy. So I'm walking around and I'm trying to watch everybody, because when you're in a retail store and there's people mulling around, walking around, and the store at that time was about 2,500 square feet. This particular store on Madison Avenue, which is a nice size boutique type of store, all on one level, just street level. And the store is separated into different sections. You have shirts, you have ties, you have suits, you have coats, all different things going on. And this happened along the shirt wall. We had a wall of shirts, including dress shirts and sports shirts. So everybody's mulling around. I'm standing like halfway into the store from the front door and to the back. And I'm, not really helping anybody in particular. I'm trying to help a few people here and there, but I'm also watching what everybody's doing because, in New York City, in retail, you always have to watch what is going on because you never know if somebody would want to try and take something from you. It could happen, and it has happened. Somebody tries to shoplift, or they try and run out of the store with something, or anyway, we'll get into other stories in the future. But anyhow, so I'm just looking around, and I turn my back from the shirts for a second. It was only for a couple seconds. And I turn around, and there's a gentleman standing there. He's carrying a few shopping bags, not from my store, but from a couple of stores. And he's holding a shirt in his hand. It was Hugo Boss. I remember exactly what it was. It was a sports shirt. It was like a white, must have been summertime because it was a white linen sort of very see-through type of shirt. And I think the price of the shirt was about $95 at the time. So I'm standing there, and he comes over to me holding the shirt, and he says, you have my size in this shirt. I said, sure, let me check for you. So I look at the shirt, I see what it is, and I look on the shelf, and I say, okay, yeah, I have your size. He said his size was large. I take out the large from the stack of shirts that we had. He said, oh, okay, because see the shirt that I'm holding here, I just got this shirt as a gift. My mother bought this for me as a gift, and I just want to exchange it for the size large. So I thought, okay, so sure, you could exchange the shirt for a size large, and I could do that for you right now. So I asked him if he could show me the shirt he had in his hand. I looked at the shirt; it was a medium, and I said, do you have the receipt from the other store? And he said, well, no, it was a gift. I don't have the receipt. So here we go. What do you think happened next? It's up to you to tell me what you would do in this situation. So use the comments. Please subscribe if you like this new format. I'm going to do a lot more stories like this, all different types of things, not just somebody trying to exchange something, but all different types of things can happen in a store, as I said before. And whoever gets closest, or somebody could get exactly what may have happened in this situation, at the end with this gentleman, there will be a prize. And that prize, I will announce what it will be in the next video. So please subscribe, hit that bell so you can know when the next video is coming out, and I'll see you when I'm back at it.